We can track hurricanes, therefore being able to predict them. But we can't do the same for earthquakes, because we don't have any way of telling or even tracking them, making them impossible to predict. Some failed methods that people have tried is to see if animals know if an earthquake is coming. For example, one of the animals was a rodent. Scientists tested the rodents in two different seismically active areas. Right before an earthquake occurred, the rodents reacted differently than they usually did. But it turned out that this was not related to the earthquake and that it was just a coincidence. Some other methods that people have tried see if the small amount of gas inside most rock will get released all at once a couple of minutes before the earthquake occurred. This did not work because it turned out that gas in the earthquake were usually 500 to 1,000 miles away. Some scientists once tried an earthquake prediction method where they used P waves and S waves. They saw that the ratios between the two waves changed when they got close to where the rock was fracturing. They thought this was a way to predict earthquakes because if they could find where the ratio between the P waves and S waves changed, they could tell people that an earthquake was coming. This method was used to predict an earthquake on Blue Mountain Lake. The team said on August 1st there would be an earthquake in a few days, of a magnitude anywhere from 2.5 to 3.0. On August 3rd, there was an earthquake that was a magnitude 2.6. This was said to be the first predicted earthquake, but almost all people think it was just a super lucky guess. An organization called the Quake Catcher Network, or QCN, is trying to place sensors all over the world in an attempt to try to learn more about earthquakes and see patterns that occur right before an earthquake happens. When they have enough information, they might be able to make accurate prediction as to when and where the earthquake will be. The reason that this is very hard for this organization is because humans are not very good at digging holes. We have not gone very deep, let alone deep enough for us to put sensors in the crust to give us an early warning system. Most people are trying for an above-ground solution. I think if we can just focus on getting deeper into the earth, that will be much faster than placing sensors on the surface of the earth. Earthquake prediction is going to be very valuable because if there is another 9.1 earthquake, we could helicopter people out to safety, at least out of harm's way. This may let more people survive these quakes, and also let people bring their pets, like dogs or cats. When earthquake prediction becomes possible, many things will change, including the average number of deaths for earthquakes. This research may even help to make stronger buildings so that cities save money as well.